My name is Tyler Brown, and I am a lab director at Barton Hospital, and I'm also an instructor at Barton Community College. When I was a senior in high school, I wanted to be a dental hygienist, and I needed patient care to get into the program at a college that I wanted to go to. And so I decided to try phlebotomy here at the college when I was a senior, and I just loved it. Phlebotomy was a world that I did not know existed. And as I went off to Wichita State and went to school, I just realized that the university life wasn't for me. And I remembered how much I loved phlebotomy and I loved drawing blood. So I decided to go back home and go to Barton Community College and do the MLT program. The best thing about Barton's MLT program is, even though it's all online, I think that's the best part about it, is that you can work while you're going to school and still provide for your family and pay your bills. But the amount of time and effort that the instructors put into the course, you wouldn't know that you go to school online. I never felt like I was just an online student and my instructors didn't care about me. If it wasn't for the MLT program's instructors, I don't know if I would be a lab tech to this day. Our phlebotomists are the first line in patient care. They bring our patients back and either draw their blood or collect their urine or stool specimens. And then the phlebotomist brings it back to the lab, and then we process it. We run it on our analyzers or look at it underneath the microscope. That way we can provide the answers to the doctors what they're looking for patient care. If it wasn't for my job in analyzing specimens, then patients wouldn't know what's going on. So I provide the answers for the doctors to properly treat their patients, and I think that's pretty cool. I think my best advice would be that they should job shadow the lab. I feel like all the labs in the surrounding area or anywhere love to bring people in to see what the lab is really all about. And I think that's the best way for you to figure out if this world is the best for you.